I can't share ice cream recipe with you without bringing you the authentic Ghana flour ice cream. So that is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes which I know very well you will love it. Kindly subscribe for more videos if today is the first time here, or if you've been here before and if not yet subscribed. So to start with this, I have with me here my milk, and the quantity will be on the screen. We are going to ensure that we cook the milk very well before we proceed. Thank you so much. Now this is how the milk looks, and it is boiled, okay? But before that, we are going to prepare for our flour. So I have my flour here, and that is 1 cup of flour. Did I say 1/2 cup of flour? Okay, so I will just dissolve it by adding some milk to it, and then we can proceed. Thank you. Welcome back, or welcome to the channel once again. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please subscribe or follow us everywhere for more videos. If you want short videos like a minute or less than a minute, please follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts. So the more you add more flour, the more your result becomes thicker. Okay, we don't want it very thick, we don't want it watery as well, very light as well. So we just use just 1/2 cup of the all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour, you can even use bread flour, okay? It will work. Now I have with me here my 2 cups of milk powder. I will dissolve that as well before we continue with today's recipe. I have a lot of ice cream recipes which you will love them, trust me. So kindly go through the videos and then check the one you want and watch it. You will love them. Okay, I have so many ice cream videos, like about 50 or 40. Okay, so just go through it and then check the one you want. Thank you. Now this is well dissolved, and we are just going to set that aside. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Can you please like the video for me, and also share the videos to others, and let me see your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you like the recipe. This is how the milk is looking, and it is ready for us to continue with the recipe. I'll just remove that on the surface. Let's put it that way so that everyone will understand it. Okay, so I will just remove that before we proceed with the recipe. And at this moment, I will just go ahead and lower the fire under it. Okay, when you get to this point, please make sure this thing does not become lumpy. So you make sure you stir it fast, and in case it becomes lumpy, you just have to strain it. So let's continue. I will just add the flour to it and then give it a stir bit by bit so it becomes perfect and then thick. Now you can see it is thick but not very thick, so it depends on you. If you want it very thick, you can just increase the quantity of flour. I don't usually prepare the flour ice cream, okay? I do it once in a while, and with the one that I sell, I do not sell the flour ice cream. Okay, with this we enjoy it at home, because most of those who buy from me have not requested for that before. Now this is a thing we prepared on fire, the milk and then the flour. So I have everything in here ready. It has cooled down, not completely, but it's okay. So we are just going to add the milk powder we dissolved, and then we can continue. If you are still with me, I am so grateful and thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. You could have used it for something else, but you decided to come and watch me. Thank you. And I appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, at this point, let's introduce our sweetener. Okay, so you can use sugar if that is what you want, but I'm going to use my condensed milk. So I'll go ahead and then add my condensed milk. Use it according to your taste. If you want it very sweet, it depends on you, but I don't want it very sweet. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add a little to that. You can as well add some evaporated milk to your ice cream, and that would take the taste to the next level. So with this, we are just going to add some food colors to it. If you have pink, green, yellow, orange, just scoop some of the ice cream, drops maybe a drop of food color, and then you are good to go. So that is what we are doing here. And I had the pink one earlier. We have the yellow. You continue like that till you are done. I have with me here my pink. Okay, it looks pink. I actually mixed the pink and then the red. Just one drop, and then I got this. Now I'll continue with the rest, and this is what we are going to do. We will just go ahead and then tie it in the rubber. Okay, if you want to pour it in the cups, you can just go ahead and do so, but we are going to tie it. And also, this is the rest of the ice cream left, the one that is colorless. That is what is left, and we are just going to tie it behind camera. But let me show you how we did it. Just in the rubber like this, and then you tie it. So simple to do so. Now we are done with everything. Keep this in the freezer 4 to 6 hours, and then it should cake if you have good freezer. Thank you so much for staying with me till I come your way next time with another amazing recipe. Please stay blessed, take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and know that I love you. I will see you in the next one, and you can't afford to miss it because it is going to be awesome. Bye bye.